I'm on a really small stream here, and there's a pretty large fish rising right there. There's marsh browns coming down. He's making nice big rises. Probably hasn't seen line in a long time. There he goes again. Good size fish too. Not that much brown and murder I made the other day. Nice wild brown trout. Small stream. There we go, beautiful wild brown trout out of this small stream. Stream is like 25 feet across. Some nice marsh browns coming down. I use that marsh brown burger I made. And away he goes. Okay, I'm gonna fish this little run right here. There's a lot of marsh browns coming down, so I'm just going to blind cast here. Looks like a perfect place for a nice sized brown trout to be hanging out. Got a rise right by that tree. Gonna sneak in there. Nice fish too. Stuck on the bench. That was 20 inches too. Oh my God. I'm gonna give this one another shot. I doubt if he's gonna come up, but I'll try. You never know. Again, face of the tree. Go slide on it. Got him again. Woo, nice fish too. Nice fish. That's most likely the same fish, and I only gave him about 10-minute break. Oh, this one's a little smaller. Wild brownie. Woo. Nice sized fish. Beautiful. This fish has got to be 17 inches. He doesn't have any marks in his mouth from my previous fly, so I'm saying this isn't the one. I think the other one was bigger. Yeah, he just came up. Got a riser right in there. Right around in there. No doubt he's eating those big mayflies. Big March browns coming down. Might have to make an upstream cast on them. It's my best open back cast area is going up and down. He'll be up here at the top. There he goes. March brownie herder, man. Real nice fish. Fish isn't happy. Nice big wild brown trout. Little 20-inch trout here. That's a beauty. Don't ignore those small streams, because here we go, there's a 20-inch brown trout on a March brown in a small stream. And away he goes. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up today. Had a really good day. Come to this little no-name stream in Pennsylvania. These out-of-the-way places that nobody goes to. It's a real long walk to get here. You can hear traffic, but that's far away. But had a really nice day. I got one about 15 inches. Got one about 17 inches, and I got one 20 inches right in here, and I lost one that was probably 20 inches. I call that a pretty darn good day. So until next time.